Good afternoon. This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institutes. And now we are doing question number 3. And again, we are doing this student from IRS group. Thanks for creating this question paper. Really sorry. The extract aims to give information about. So what is this extract about? I want to know that what is this extract about? Okay. 6 new sets of regulations were produced in response to European Parliament Framework Directive. 6 new sets. Management of health and safety, managing handling, personal protective equipment, health and safety. So majorly equipment, safety, personal equipment. So these are the 6 new sets of regulations which have been produced in the European Parliament. So they have already been produced. क्योंकि past verb plus third form means it is talking about the past. That means new sets have been introduced. All right. So I've got to know about this thing. New sets have been introduced. So I'm just going to take it forward. So while each set of the regulation focuses on specific aspects of the workplace, like if I say personal equipment at work, so that means it is working at a specific aspect of protective equipments, personal protective equipment. So each set of regulation is working on a specific aspect. They all have a common theme. The theme is common. And as far as I think, the theme is safety. Obviously, when we are talking about protection, safety. So I think that is the major thing that is being discussed. They reinforce the, so they have a single theme. That means उनका purpose common है, एक ही theme है. They reinforce the need for risk assessment. So the main purpose is that they want risk assessment. They want to introduce control measures and they want follow-up monitoring and review system. So they want four things. One, that is risk assessment. Second, introducing control measures. Third, follow-up monitoring. Fourth, review systems. However, for the first time, the idea of a competent person is introduced. So this is the new thing that is happening in this new set of regulations, that competent person is introduced. So that means these rules require competent people, the people who are skilled, the people who are competent. So this is the new thing. The employer is required to appoint one or more competent persons to assist in undertaking the measures needed to comply with the relevant statutory provisions. So whatever the statutory means legal provisions are, whatever the protocols are, competent person should be there who knows what to do. This person must be knowledgeable about the risk to health and safety within the workplace. So the common topic is health and safety, and competent person is the new thing. The extract aims to give information about work practices that reduce the risk of injuries. Yes, it does talk about reducing the risk of injuries. First of all, this reduce word is not given. Suppose if by chance I say risk assessment is like reducing risk of injuries, by chance, वैसे तो दिया नहीं है. But suppose if by chance you say, then also control measures is missing, follow-up monitoring is missing, review system is missing. So I don't think so. This is the main option to reduce the risk of injuries. So I will try to eliminate it, but I'm not sure, but I will eliminate it at the moment. The extract gives the information about the need to specify and follow regulations at work. So you have to follow regulations at work. So yeah, this can be, again, this is a difficult question again. So that is what OET is all about. Some questions are difficult. So this reading is little difficult, to be honest, but you can learn a lot. So extract is giving information about health and safety, and it is specifying the various aspects and regulations at workplace. So this can be answered, this cannot be, but I'm not sure. So I cannot eliminate it for sure. The importance of risk assessment and control measures. If I do this option, then risk assessment word is there. Yes. Control measure word is there, but the other two words, follow-up monitoring and review system words. So it is incomplete. So definitely this is not my info. This cannot be my complete answer, because it is only, the C option is only doing two things, 1 and 2. It is not talking about 3 and 4. So it is incomplete. So this cannot be my answer as well. So the answer I have is the extract gives the information about need to specify. So each set of regulations and follow regulations. With each set of regulations at work on specific aspects of the workplace. So the extract gives the information about need, that it is important to specify and follow regulations at work. So this topic is majorly about that there should be some regulations which should be specific and it should be followed, and there is a need to follow. So that is what it is talking about. And who can make it follow? The person, of the idea of a competent person. This person knows how to make everyone follow this thing. So again, please try and understand, this is also difficult question and this reading is difficult, but this reading is teaching us elimination method. Work practice that reduce word is not given, you can simply eliminate this word. The importance of risk assessment, control measures, these two words are given, but it is incomplete. So it is not talking about follow-up monitoring, it is not talking about, so you can simply eliminate it. So the option again you are left up with is B. And now I am also doubting myself, 3 answers in continuous flow are B. So this is again how you do the elimination method. So I'm just gonna put you on unmute and will ask you if there is any doubt. Any doubt, please? Any doubt?
No, no, sir.
No, sir.
And I know it is little tricky. Though you are saying no, I still believe there would be some doubts. ये मुश्किल questions हैं. These are the difficult questions. But if you can use the elimination method, and if out of these 3 questions, if you can correct 1 or 2 questions now, then chances improves from 350 to 400. So that is what is the benefit of doing these questions. कि 350 से आप 400 तक safety margins में जा सकते हो by this elimination method. So for these all questions were above 350. मतलब ऐसा ये कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं था जो बी के लेवल पे था, बी के लेवल से मुश्किल क्वेश्चंस थे. But still, if you can do elimination method like in this question, this was an easy question to eliminate. Use of prevent any word, strength word could have been eliminated. Then you could have gone to this question. This was little difficult, but test word was extra, constant word was extra. So again, and in this question also, there were a couple of words like work practices that reduce. So reduce word was not there. That was the main thing. And then importance of risk assessment and this, but it was missing out on the review system and monitoring part. So there were a couple of words which were missing. So I eliminated these options. So that is how I do this reading part B. When difficult questions are there, I use this elimination method as the method of choice. Thank you. This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institute. Please listen to this recording 2-3 times again. The basic reason is that to make you understand that elimination method is the method for the difficult questions. That's the only thing. Thank you.